In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix AttackShark X3 device sleep. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your AttackShark X3 or any other model is displaying this problem, device sleep, it could be due to a variety of reasons. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I believe is the most convenient way to fix this problem. So first, make sure that you unplug the X3 from your PC. So if you are using the dongle, unplug it. If you are using it over a wired connection, remove it, and so on. Now, these mice from AttackShark have various different connection types. Usually they will offer you a wired connection type and then 2.4 gigahertz, which is what most people like because it is wireless with the best latency possible, and then Bluetooth, which most people avoid because it introduces a lot of latency. As you can see, when this light here, mode indicator lights, blink red, it tells you that it is using 2.4 gigahertz. So all that you have to do is set it to 2.4 G. So make sure that you set it to 2.4 G and then you press and hold the mode indicator light until you see it blinking rapidly. This indicates that it is ready to connect itself to the dongle. So once it is blinking rapidly, then all that you have to do is plug it into your PC again. So if you removed the 2.4G dongle, now with the mode indicator light blinking rapidly after you pressed and held down the mode indicator button, plug it in again. This should fix the device sleep issue. If it is still present, then you can try updating the software. So make sure that you update the AttackShark software, use a different USB port, and restart your computer. With all of these, you should be able to have it completely solved. Now, before I end this video, if it helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems. So consider subscribing, and I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.